We aspire to be pioneers and leaders in sustainability within our industry. We are placing sustainability at the heart of our business strategy. This will be the basis on which we prioritize, innovate, and grow. I'm very confident that sustainability will be a catalyst for future growth, productivity, and innovation. Our sustainability strategy is centered around accelerating investments in 5 key areas. First is water. In the past 5 years, we have made great progress in reducing the water consumption in the manufacturing that we do. We intend to accelerate that and increase the savings in water consumption over the next 4 years. Second is energy. Over the past 5 years, we have increased the renewable energy within our energy consumption to 29%. This comes from wind, solar, and biomass. We intend to further increase the use of renewable energy over the next 4 years. Effluent and emissions. We have 70 factories in 50 countries, and we ensure that all the effluent is clean when it gets discharged. And in some of our factories, we have implemented zero discharge liquid plants. With this, we will have the ability to recycle up to 95% of the water that we use within the factories. The fourth is social. We would like all our employees to rise to the full potential in a very diverse, positive, and inclusive environment within Coats. We absolutely want every individual in Coats to rise to their full potential, and it's our endeavor to make sure that they do so. And the last one is living sustainably, where we are working tirelessly with customers and suppliers to develop environmentally friendly and biodegradable products which will ensure that waste is reduced dramatically. More and more consumers are now demanding that their products are sourced from ethical and sustainable supply chains. This is forcing our industry to reinvent itself and demanding that all elements of the supply chain adhere to strict standards of ethics, sustainability, and environmentally friendly products and processes. Employees want to work for a company where they feel valued, respected, and can rise to their highest potential. This is becoming an important part of the employee value proposition and is a key differentiator in hiring and retaining good talent across the world. More and more investors are putting environmental, social, and governance criteria at the heart of their investing decisions. There is enough historical evidence to suggest that companies that do very well in environmental, social, and governance criteria also tend to outperform the market and deliver greater shareholder value. Building on our already strong sustainability credentials, we are excited about pioneering a new sustainable future.